Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Pramod Pandey. Again, we are starting with another standard, which is your ISA 41 agriculture. This would be having certain other things which you need to know to be safer side. I'm not expecting a huge big question coming on this way, but if it could be 2 marks, 3 marks adjustment that you need to know for that, right? So the agriculture which is out there, the biological asset in the agriculture produce are measured at the fair value less cost to sale. Whatever the changes which are out there will be taken into the profit and loss. This is the main thing. The main point from the standard is that definition. Biological asset are living plant and animal. Agriculture produce are nothing but the harvested product of the biological asset. So whatever the biological products are there, living plant and animal, once they would be having their agriculture produce, once they will be harvested, they will give some product, or that is known as a harvested product, and that is nothing but the will become the agriculture produce. So agriculture produce are nothing but the harvested product of the biological asset. Now the measurement. Biological assets are going to be measured at the fair value less cost estimated cost to sale, and they need to be revalued at each after reporting date, and whatever the changes are there will need to be taken into the P&L. Done. Agriculture produce which are harvested are going to be measured at fair value less cost to sale at the harvest, and then once they becomes harvested, once they harvested, they will become the inventory and they will be accounted according to the ISA 2. Recognition of the gain and loss. So whatever the changes is there is need to be taken to the P&L. Suppose opening here it is 1000. They have purchased a quote of 250 and year end value is this. So you need to what do you have to do? What do you have to do? From 140 you will be removing 1250. You will be removing how much? you will be removing, that is obvious, right? 1250, and that would leave you with a profit of 200. Done. Now, what are the certain things that could go wrong in this standard? It could be that they would be having some sort of a wrong estimation of the fair value. Hana? Incorrect fair value adjustment, misstated profit. What if they're not accounting for the cost to sale? They're accounting sales minus nothing. They are not accounting for the cost to sale, right? They're ignoring the revaluation of the year end date, which is something mandatory here. What if they are confused in harvesting product or inventory? Because once the biological product or whatever the agriculture produces, it has been there. Once it get harvested, it becomes inventory. So after once suppose this is an agriculture produce, this movement they are getting harvested from now on onward, they will be counted as an ISA 2 inventories. Done. These are the certain things, and these are the certain rules that can go wrong in the paper. So that is about it. ISA 41, and you just need to remember that the changes rule, the fair value, and the definition, and just some sort of a terminology. I think that will be more than enough if there would be any question. Okay, simple rule, nothing more than that. With this note, I would like to meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Have a good time.